Squad. My name is Barbie Pink Lifestyle, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're already a subscriber of mine, and thank you so much. You know, I appreciate you so much from the bottom of my heart. The bottom of my heart.
A part of the bottom.
I know, a part of the bottom of my heart. And today I'm bringing you guys a semi-annual haul with my stepmom.
Hi, what's up, my Bomb Squad? This is your girl, Lisa. I am from the Bomb Squad. You know,
I was going to say, this is the Pink Squad today.
But today it is the Bomb Pink Squad.
Yep.
Bam.
Yep. So
it's just me and Barbie Pink Lifestyle. We are doing a semi-annual haul. I only went to Bath and Body Works.
Yep. I went to Bath and Body Works, and I also went to Victoria's Secret. So if you like videos like this, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you click that subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. And without further ado, let's get right into this video.
All right,
you ready?
So I'm going to go first because I am a guest. So
we're gonna guess first.
Yes, the guests are first today. So I went to, as you can see, nice
Bath and Body Works.
Bag of
you got a lot of goodies. I'll hold it.
I did. So
her bag is heavy, guys. Like,
so what happened was I wasn't supposed to go to Bath and Body Works, but
because I sent her an invite, you guys, and she was like, no,
because my children's birthday are 3 days before and 4 days after Christmas. So my wallet was looking like it had little birds flying on the inside. Dust. It was nothing in there. All right, so, but then they sent me a thing in the email. You know when they send you the little email things for the $10 off? They sent me that and they said, hey, maybe you're not as dusty as you thought you were. So, let's start. Let's start off.
Here goes your receipt.
All right, so look at how long my receipt is, guys. So the receipt is long,
you guys,
because everything was discounted, either 75% off or 50% off. And I did get some of the Scentsible's, the little plug-in things, and they were like $3 a piece. So let's start off with, now I'm going to tell you a thing about Bath and Body Works if you don't already know it. Bath and Body Works, the scents are kind of interchangeable. If you like one smell in the body wash and another smell in the spray, they kind of go together as long as you stay in the same families. But I actually did get ones that match this time. So this is sheer cotton and lemonade. It has a nice clean but a fresh smell because of the lemonade. So Barbie Pink Lifestyle is going to smell that.
Oh, this does. It reminds me of like clean linen.
Yeah, it's like summertime.
Like fresh. Oh, and it is said it's sheer cotton and lemonade. Okay.
It's like when you put your clothes outside.
So it looks like that.
On the line in the summertime. If you're from the South, you know what it is. If you're from near, you don't know it. So I got the ones that go with it. So yeah, so they go together. But they had these oils.
I've never seen these before, guys, ever.
So what had happened was when they send me the emails, I always go in the emails and see what they have. So I saw the oils on the email, and I was gonna do it online.
Sorry, guys, I got excited.
But I decided I wasn't gonna do it at all. But then I was tempted and I did it. So what I did was I got this is a body oil, and I don't use lotion. I really don't. So I don't buy. I still have lotion she's got me. So I will use it, but it takes me so long. I just don't buy it. If somebody buys it for me,
yeah, this is awesome. Light as air.
It's a very clean smell. If you wear things like Cool Water Cologne or CK1 or anything like that, you can wear that. It's
really fresh, guys.
So I got this. This one is that marshmallow malt, the marshmallow.
This is marshmallow magic.
It has a creamy, has a creamy smell to it, and it's also emulsified.
This one
Look at it. It has 3 layers to it. Can you see?
So it's like a clear layer, and it goes into clear, pink, purple, and then like a bluish. Yeah.
Shake it together, and it gives you a good smell. Plus, it makes you feel good. I don't like being greasy. I hate it being greasy, even during the summertime. Even during the wintertime. But the oils are great, and I always like the sparkle. It's nothing like a little shiny. I like the sparkle. I'm sparkly. So I got champagne toast, and this also has another rich smell to it, and it goes if you like Obsession. I'm trying to think of colognes that it would go with. Obsession and the more warmer colognes. It would go with that one. So, and you really can't see it. I have some on, but it's a very subtle sparkle. Yeah, I put a little in my finger. So it's not like glitter, but it's more like you'll see the sheen on your skin. You see how shiny she was? And then you're shiny for a minute. Now
it smells good.
Now put your hand back up there. And now she's not shiny.
Yeah, it smells good.
She's not
I like this one.
So,
what else you got?
So, well, we see what happened was when you go in. And
I've never seen that before. Is this a new product from them? Where's the receipt?
I've never seen it. It's a receipt.
What's it called?
It's called Super Sculpty Soap. Now, this is the same as the Marshmallow Magic. So I did get something to go with the Marshmallow Magic. Because sometimes you want to layer, especially at night. Because at night I always have one to smell. I never go to bed just smelling like water. So at night I'll have one just like the body oil and a soap that matches. So I got this.
Is this a foaming soap?
I think so. I have no idea because I didn't spray it in the store. I don't know what the soap does, tell you the truth.
Here, do a little bit on your hand. And
but
then
we're going to see what the soap...
Show them. Oh, Jesus. Show them. Oh, Jesus. You got... What the...
Wait a minute. I can... Hold on. You're supposed to be able to sculpt it. So let's... Hold on. It says you can play with the soap.
Are you serious?
Read it back. Hold on. I'm going to...
Wait.
Hold on.
I did not...
I didn't either. It looks like... Y'all know the thing...
Why can't I ever have a normal video?
I don't know.
Well, you gotta show them.
Look, do y'all know?
You gotta come this way.
Oh, I'm sorry. Do y'all know the Ooh, look. But okay, see, look. Do y'all know? You know the thing that they have.
This is just crazy.
But look.
What in the world?
It's soap.
From this little can
came this one squirt.
That,
look how much soap came out.
How hard did you press it?
I don't know.
She did
but that's
one time.
soap, and it's Sculpty soap. Ooh, and it smells good. Smell it.
It does smell good.
So that's the soap. You can sculpt it. You can play with it in the border. So adults who like to play with your soap, there you go. So we also have the scentables on the wall. What are they? The Wallflowers. We have Wallflowers all over the house. But right now, our Wallflowers smell like cookies and cakes and pies. Oh my. So our Wallflowers smell like the wintertime. So now what we did was we went and got some more springy, summery smells to kind of go from the winter into the springtime. So we got Georgia Peach.
This one's Georgia Peach.
We got
this is Peach Poppy.
These are the Georgia Peach is very peachy. The Peach Poppy has like a floral scent with the peach. It's like
they both smell really good.
And we got 2 of the watermelon lemonades because watermelon is amazing. The smell of melon by itself.
It smells
really good.
Lemon
does kick that up a notch. And we got one. I think I got one more. Did I get one more?
No.
No, I got a pineapple. Pineapple.
Oh, here it is.
Oh no,
it was in the bag. Okay. Pineapple mango.
Pineapple mango. So, you know, this summer, instead of smelling like cookies and cakes, we're going to smell like smoothies. So, there you go. Smoothies and what is that thing that you like to get from... What is this? That stuff.
Oh, strawberry?
Yes. Some kind of Starbucks tea.
I actually didn't get that much from
Alright, so look at here. This is that.
That's her receipt. Now, I don't even know if they
normally the savings at the bottom, they tell you the total savings was I got how many items I get? I got 11 items.
That's a lot.
11 items.
And she told me she couldn't
11 items. I only paid $38.43, guys. So, but my total savings for the entire thing was my total discount was $94.75. Now, if you don't know this secret, know it now. Anytime the Bath and Body Works has a coupon or anything, you can do the sale,
or the semi-annual sale,
the semi-annual sale, the discount, the coupon, you can do it all because they know you're gonna come in there and buy it all. And they still got the 3 for $3 and the 2 for $2.
They always have that one. Yeah, the 3
Love Bath and Body Works because you know your Bath and Body's gotta work.
Yep. I have a baby receipt. My receipt can fit in the viewfinder. So these are the Cactus Blossom candles. I picked up 3. They smell so good. So what happened was the email that I got from
like you.
Yeah, because the Bath and Body Works email I got, it said that all candles were $10. Well, they lied. Because the big candle that I got was this one. It was a Cactus Blossom, but the big 3-wick one. And then when I got to the register, the lady was like, "Ma'am, that's not $10. I was like,
$4.50.
I wanted to throw the candles at her when she told me that, but I didn't throw the candles. I acted like I've been somewhere. And I didn't throw the candles. But what I did was I went back and I lucked up and found these. So guys, if you ever, if that happens to you, just look around because I found these and they were actually $6. So it was cheaper than the 10. So I just got 3 of these.
So the 3-wick candles that are on sale are the ones that smell like
trash.
They don't smell like trash, but she just doesn't like.
They smell.
They have one that smells like bubble gum, and it really does smell like bubble gum.
It made me want to throw up.
One that smells like marshmallow.
That
lavender marshmallow. I didn't want to do that because I don't like lavender. I didn't even smell that one. But they got one that smells like pecan waffles. But like I said, our house always smells like some kind of waffly pumpkin.
It was just a hot mess. The last thing I got was this because my hands are so dry. So it's just a shea butter from the True Blue collection, and it's really thick. So I'll show you guys.
Oh yeah,
it's really thick.
That didn't move at all when she moved her hand.
See, look, it's really good for like dry.
It smells like cocoa butter.
Yeah, dry skin. So that's all that I got from Bath and Body Works. I didn't go cray cray like somebody, but
well, see, they have the boxes, and I didn't even see everything because had I seen everything, their bag would have been good.
Yeah, it would have been bad. The next place that I did go to was Victoria's Secret, and that's my little baby receipt.
I just look at Victoria. I look at Victoria and walk by her. She can keep her secrets.
I just picked up one thing. I picked up one thing, guys, and it's not even for me. It's for my best friend, Danny.
It's pretty, though.
Oh, yeah, I didn't even show you. So, I picked her up this. They're going to be like, why are you buying your best friend bras? But, yeah, so we buy each other stuff like this. So, there's the original price. It's like $62.50. But I got it on sale for $29. So when you go to the semi-annual sales for bras and stuff, they put the price like right behind it.
We were walking past Pink, which is on the same side as Bath and Body Works.
So yeah, that's all I got.
And all I thought about was her going.
Yeah. So that's everything that we got separately because we didn't even go together. So
we were gonna. Well, she said
I did invite.
She did invite, but I didn't know that I was going. I didn't know. So we did that. We were going to take something back to get it fixed. So and then I got my rings clean. Got my rings clean because we went back to the same store. So while I did that, so then she was like, "We in the mall," and I was like, "I know," and I was gonna walk out the door. Gonna walk out the door.
Yeah, so she did some damage. She did some damage. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you click that subscribe button down below and the notification bell next to it. And also, I'll link her channel down below, Dckoolaid&Lisa, so you can subscribe to them also. And we'll talk to you guys next time. Bye! Okay. Don't make me laugh. Okay. And you know to look here, right?
No, I don't, but okay.
See? Charles looks over there too. I'm
gonna try. I got it.
Yeah, you look right there, little dot there.
I'm looking at the dot.
Okay. So I'll leave their channel down in the link below. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. Make sure you click that subscribe button down below and also the notification bell next to it. And we'll talk to you guys in our next video. Bye. Mwah. Did you catch it?
Did I catch it?
I'll do it again.
You ready?